Hi, I am your physics Sarthi, Madhumita Mukherjee. I promise a better scoring in your physics. Let us take this question. Came in 2018. A student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. This is least count. The main scale reading is 5 millimeter. Main scale reading is 5 millimeter. Millimeter. Should I make it in centimeter right now? Centimeter, these are also in centimeter. So 5 millimeter means 5 into 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter. Clear? 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter. And 0 circular scale division coincides with 25 division of main scale. So circular scale reading is 25. If the screw gauge zero error equal to minus 0.004 centimeter, then you need to find out correct diameter of this ball. We know how to measure the diameter of this ball in a screw gauge, but little bit of revision, very quick revision. The terms used in screw gauge. One is pitch, P-I-T-C-H. Another one is least count. These two terms, least count is given over here, but pitch and least count you must remember always. What is a screw gauge? Suppose this is a screw. If I rotate this, it moves forward. My ball is over here, what the diameter of which I need to measure. This side is fixed. This is my ball. A screw rotates. I rotate this screw and it goes and touches this. Then I know I rotate it. So it has a circular scale. And as I rotate it, it moves forward. Clear? That is the concept of a screw, and that is the concept behind my screw gauge. Now, when I rotate the screw through 360 degree, meaning by the entire one rotation, the amount of linear movement of this screw is called pitch. This is the linear. It is the linear motion, not forward or backward. Linear motion for an entire rotation of this screw. Okay, of this screw of screw gauge. If you rotate through 360 degree, the linear motion it has is called pitch. And this screw has a scale, circular scale. It may have 50 division, 100 division, 1000 divisions, many divisions it can have. Like the size of screw could be bigger and bigger this side. The circular scale could be bigger and bigger. So it can have many divisions. Suppose it has 100 division for time being. Now if it rotates through 1000 divisions, the amount of motion it has in the linear direction is the pitch. Now if it moves through one division, what is the linear motion in this direction? That is called least count. So least count it is linear motion. Least count is linear motion for an entire rotation. Previously I wrote, this time I will write linear motion for one division of circular scale motion. Clear? For one division of circular scale motion, whatever be the linear movement. Now you understand this is very difficult to get. One division of small division of circular scale motion, what is the linear division? So generally least count we get by dividing pitch by number of divisions in circular scale. Number of divisions in circular scale. Clear? Pitch is when I rotate it through 360 degree, what is the linear motion? That is pitch. Pitch, when you divide pitch by the number of circular scale divisions, you get least count. That is the linear movement for rotation of one division of circular scale. Clear? These two definitions are clear. So, your diameter is a linear thing. So, diameter, now see here, diameter equal to, definitely you moved, so and there is a linear scale, and on the linear scale this screw is also moving. So, this is the linear scale reading. Linear scale also called main scale. Over here it is called main scale. So main scale reading will definitely be there. And then there will be a component of circular scale reading. Circular scale reading should always be multiplied with least count. Least count into circular scale reading. Should I write it in a better way? This is main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading. This is the main thing. Diameter is main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading. This formula you must remember. Must remember. Now the error part will come. See, student measured the diameter of the small steel ball using screw gauge of least count this. The main scale reading is this, and 0 of circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions above the reference scale. This line means 25 is the circular scale reading. 0 of circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions above the reference level. If the screw gauge has 0 error of this, when you touch this side and you touch the screw gauge like this without the ball, you check the instrument. Now, if the 0 level of circular scale coincides with 0 level of your main scale, it has got no error. 0 error. There is no positive 0 error or negative 0 error. But it is an instrument. Instruments can have errors. Now, when you touch these two things, if your 0 of circular scale, 0 of your circular scale is above the 0 of linear scale, you have a positive 0 error, and correction is to subtract that 0 error from your reading. Similarly, if you have a negative 0 error, you have to add that to the main reading. I will not try to explain it further without an actual instrument, but today you need to remember this. You have a negative 0 error. So, you need to make a negative of negative 0.004, meaning by negative of 0 error. Whatever be your 0 error, in my case 0 error is negative, so minus of 0 error, it will be a negative term. If your 0 error is positive, then also I will have negative of that positive 0 error. This formula, this particular formula, I know you will tend to forget, but please do not forget. This is very important. Now you put your data, your job is done. Main scale reading is 5 into 10. So 0.5 centimeter. I am considering everything in centimeter. Plus least count they have given 0.001 into circular scale is 25 minus this minus 0.004. Everything is in centimeter. This is your answer. So very quickly I have told you what is pitch, what is least count, and least count with circular scale you must multiply this to get the circular scale reading into linear scale reading. This thing you must do. Plus if your instrument has got some zero error, that zero error you need to subtract. So let us check this first. This is 0.525 right, 2505 plus 0.004, this is the case, equals 0.529 centimeter. D option is your correct option. D option is your correct option. Whatever questions I have got so far, that is on screw gauge, you must have this concept of pitch, least count, and this scale. Main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus of zero error. This to remember in plus condition, this you remember in negative condition. Whatever be the zero error, minus of that zero error you must do. Okay, clear. We'll try to do more on this concept, on the screw gauge concept, more questions. I hope ultimately it will be clear, but this is clear, I believe. Okay. So we will go for next. If it is not clear, you can get back to me. Clear? Thank you for watching. In this way, I have explained last 20 years of questions. If benefited, do watch.